Thank you so much for spending time with us on learning more about unified routing. As unified routing forms what I call the central nervous system of the contact center, we'll continue to evolve it further in the years to come and add additional capabilities that can help you manage an enterprise scale contact center. In general, there are three themes of our future investments. The first one is building the capabilities needed to operate a multilingual, global enterprise scale omni-channel contact center. Enterprises are expected to deliver unwavering quality of service at a very high scale. They need to deal with fluctuating load patterns. Their workforce is distributed globally and serves different language needs. They have to abide by geographical constraints of security, privacy, and compliance. And then they have to serve customers on the choice of their channels. And each channel has specific needs. For example, the customer expectation on a voice channel has special aspects that makes it slightly different from a chat or WhatsApp routing. We will continue to evolve our capabilities to serve these enterprise needs at their scale while abiding by all compliance and security and privacy needs. The other key theme is the ease of configuration and operations. Managing an enterprise contact center can really become challenging over a period. The numerous users in thousands, their setup, their skills management, their movement across queues and skills to meet the fluctuating needs, their calendars, their availability, their capacity, their supervision. There is a lot of work that has to be done and at scale. The logical rules and the cues and the skill sets can burgeon very quickly, and complexities can make change management extremely error prone. Add to that the application lifecycle management challenges, operational lifecycle management challenges, diagnostic needs. Uh, we aspire to create our experiences simpler, reusable, and cater to your bespoke needs and extensible in that manner. We'll continue to provide admin guardrails and in-product guidance that will prevent misconfigurations. We'll continue to evolve our experience for a smooth and simpler setup. We'll continue to infuse more intelligence in our experiences for agents and administrators and supervisors. And we'll provide you experiences that will help you diagnose the problem quickly and rapidly in case they happen. Finally, the other key theme is infusing intelligence into unified routing. We are living in the world of generative AI. Today, we have the capability to identify skills using the Intelligent Skill Finder, an ML model. We also can detect real-time sentiment and effort estimation, using which we can route the work properly. We'll continue to infuse further intelligence into the system that can take us closer to the customer journey, derive key insights from the historical customer and agent interactions, and improve the right routing procedure. For the detailed feature roadmap, I request you to check out our release notes, which are updated very regularly. I would like to end this session with a quick recap of how unified routing can transform your contact center. As we have seen, this is a truly omni-channel system. The experiences, the services, and the insights power all the native channels ranging from voice, digital messaging, to tickets and emails. Its omni-channel nature helps us fuel seamless cross-channel experiences. It maintains a single directory of agent utilization and availability across all the channels. That helps you transition your workforce from a dedicated to a channel to a truly multi-channel blended workforce, which can take calls, serve chats, or work in cases in most efficient manner. The customer journey across all channels goes to the same central nervous system, which helps to be agents to be aware of the timeline of the customer, the context of the customer across different touch points, and thus deliver a hyper-personalized service without repetition. It helps customers get their serviced very quickly. It also helps agents boost their satisfaction and workforce engagement by assigning them work which they are skilled to do. The other key area is evolving from hardwired rules to intelligent system. We shall continue to evolve our intelligence capabilities that helps you rethink about your contact center setup and move from static, complex, and tough to manage rule-based system to a self-learning, evolving intelligent system that learns from agent actions and customer interactions. The result is not only operational efficiency, but also higher precision in customer and agent connection. The unified routing will also allow you to derive key insights and power recommendations to the agents that can bring your operational expenditure down and help you turn your contact centers into profit centers. It will identify top customer trends, customer intents and topics and opportunities to boost self-service and virtual agent efficiency. It also will give you insights to the channel level efficiency and workforce skills, which can be used to train the workforce. Finally, the historical customer interactions can be used to build correlations that can drive cross-sell opportunities and also prevent next issues. We have a lot of learning content on Microsoft Learn. We have blogs authored by product groups and partners alike. We have videos that can help you learn more about these capabilities. You can quickly try unified routing and our omni-channel experiences using our free trials. If you have a capability that you would like to see in the product, please do reach out to us on the communities. With this, I, Kumar Ashutosh or Ashu, thank you for your sincere interest in our product innovation and unified routing.